Hello student, today I will start the lesson resource and development where I will take some important topics of the lesson. In the first I will tell you what is the resources. Resources are the material which are culturally acceptable, technologically accessible and economically feasible. These are known as a resources. Means those things which are accepted according to the culture, which are very you will say affordable according to the economical way, and where there is the accessibility of the technology. So all the things which are just coming in this ground in this area, so they are known as a resources. That is very important thing. Second important thing is interdependence between the nature, technology and institution. How this interdependence become very important, and that lead to the proper you will say transformation of the resources. How does it make possible? So there are important things which you can see in the diagram, that the human beings which are interacted with the nature with the help of technology, and they develop the you will say institution, and institutions which are very important to lead the, or they accelerate the process of development. It means who are interacting, the human beings which are interacting, and they are interacting toward the nature, means physical environment. Suppose if I tell you very important you say example, that a human beings which are interacting towards the water is a nature, and they are just interacting it with the help of technology, and technology means dams construction. And after the dam construction, the dams are very useful for you say production of the electricity that produces many of the things, that generate many things, that accelerate the process of development. Means electricity that started the industries, so industries that are the institutions. Okay, then student, you I think hope you can understand well. Then the second very important thing is that this process where the human beings which are interacting toward the nature with the help of technology, and they are just developing the institutions. So institutions they can be termed as a you say schools, colleges, medical institute, government. Okay na? And suppose the human beings which are the nature, which are the physical environment. So with the help of technology means the training, the skills, the many of the other you will say fruitful program which can develop the human beings into a human resource. And human resource where they are working as a teacher, doctor, engineer, lawyers, and they are just accelerate the process of development. Okay, na student? So hope you are getting this important topics. Our next topic is resources and their classification. There I will tell you the two type of the resources and their classification. In the first, resources are classified into the two orders. One is the natural order and second is the human order. Natural order where the resources are classified into the will say renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources which are also again classified into the continuous or biological order. Continuous or the flow where the resources can be considered as a water, wind, and a biological order where the resources again classified into the flora and fauna. Flora means the agriculture or the vegetations, or the fauna means the different type of the animals. Second, non-renewable resources which are also again classified into the recyclable resources and non-recyclable resources. Recyclable resources means the metallic resources which are recyclable, and non-recyclable resources means the fossil fuel, where the coal, petroleum and so many other things which cannot be recycled again. Again, we will just classify the resources after the nature. It is the human resources. Human resources which are also classified according to the structure and the institutions, because many of the buildings like the dams, flyover, many things, buildings, okay, skyscrapers. So where the human made resources you can see well. And second is the quantity and quality. Quantity and quality means the human beings which are in the huge numbers, if their quality has been increased, quality has been increased when we invest the education and health and skill and training, then the human being as a stuff turned into as a resources, means as a teacher, as a lawyer, so they can just accelerate the process of development. So hope student you can understand this important video, and next I will tell you again about the resources. Thank you.